Hello friends, how are you all? A very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Ram from Edmonton, Canada. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to get your personal reference code from Canada Immigration. But first of all, let's try to understand what is this personal reference code, how important it is, and what are its uses. Personal reference code is a unique code provided by the IRCC Immigration of Canada through their Come to Canada 2. Okay, and it's a very important code because this code carries all your information about your profile, which is used to evaluate whether you are eligible to immigrate to Canada or not. You need this to apply for your work permit, a study permit, or visit visa, and also you will need this to create your express entry profile online. And now, without wasting your time, I will take you to my computer and show you how to get your personal reference code step-by-step tutorial. Let's go. Alright friends, to get your personal reference code, you have to come to this web page. I have given the link of this web page in the video description, okay? And all the way scroll down, and all the way you scroll down, here you can see check your eligibility. Just click here, okay? This web page will open. Find out if you are eligible to apply. Now you have to answer each of these questions one by one, okay? Number one is written here, which province or territory do you plan to live in, right? And if you don't know yet, choose the province or territory you are most interested in, right? So just choose here. Let's say I'll choose Alberta here. And then click next here, right? Then come to the next question, and question is, Canada's official languages are English and French. You need to submit language test result for all programs under express entry, right? So what did you do? Let's say I'll select here English. If you have done French, then you select French one, okay? Like you can, which one you did, like TEF, then you select TEF likewise. Okay, and click next. Now you here put the date, okay? About which date? I'm just putting here randomly for the December only 2019, September, for demo only. Alright guys, this is just for a demo. 1, and here the score, just put the score, okay? What it your IELTS score. I just put here, let's say 7.5, 7. Okay, this is just a random 8, and I'll put here like say 7. Next. Okay, next question is, do you have other language results? Which results test did you take for your second official language? If you have, put otherwise, you put say none. Okay, so for me I'll just select none here. Next is, in the last 3 years, how many years of skilled work experience do you have in Canada? It must have been full-time or an equal amount in part-time, right? If you have experience in Canada, yes. Otherwise, say no. I'll say no, right? So during this period, which National Occupation Classification NOC level is most of the experience in? So, but you didn't work in Canada, right? So it doesn't apply to you. So none of the above. Right, so here they said, right, if you do not have any Canadian work experience during this period, please choose none of the above, right? So we don't have Canadian experience, so I have selected none of the above, and then we'll click next. Okay, then here, in the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work experience do you have? It must have been continuous paid full-time, or any or an equal amount in the part-time, and in only one occupation, right? So here your general work experience, all right, anywhere you have in your countries like that, right? 6 or more years. I put 6 or more years. I'll put here. Okay, so here In the last 5 years, do you have at least 2 years of experience in one of these types of job skill right here, right? So do you have anything job in these industries like NOC given here, right? If you're not sure of the NOC for your job, you can find it in this one here, right? If you're not sure about these NOC codes, so let's say here, say all the government, right? Say, let's say I'll say 2 or more years. Next, do you have a certificate of qualification from Canadian province or territory in your skill trade? If you have, say yes, otherwise say no. I'll select no here. How much money, right, in Canadian dollars will you bring to Canada? So here, depending on how many people, if you are single, select for single. If you are coupling for couple, let's say for couple. So let's say I'll put here like 16 to 19 being a couple like that. And then how many family members do you have? I'll say 2 only. Okay, so if you have selected here 4 and you choose 16 1900, it won't be appropriate. Okay, so yeah, think about that one, because I chose only 16,000 to 19,000, so I selected only 2. Do you have a valid job offer in Canada? No. $6.5, and I put 6.5, this example, and then click next, right? So here you see all the result is, everything is given here, right? And at the top you can see here your result. To apply online, you will need this personal reference code. Did you see, guys, here? DM121483571. So this is your personal reference code. Okay, so this is your personal reference code. So make sure that, like, after you get all these things done, either you take a picture of this one with a mobile phone, or write it down in a note, or write in a piece of paper, or either you can just print down this page. Okay, so guys, this is how you can obtain your personal reference code. And remember, this code will be valid for only 60 days. Let's say if you have obtained today, right, then it will be valid until August. So make sure that you start your application process within these 60 days, okay, before it gets expired. And you can use this for multiple purposes. Let's say, for example, you have used it to create your express-entry profile, then you can also use the same code for your study permit application also, right? As well as in your visit visa also, you can use the same code. So it will save you tons of your time. Okay, you don't need different codes for different application process. Okay, and if you are confused about how to use it, then let me give you a small information. Let's say, for example, you want to create an express entry profile. Then what you have to do, first of all, what you will do, you will go to a Canadian Immigration IRCC website, right? www.cic.gc.ca. So you have to go there, and then you have to click express entry, and then you have to create an account through a GC key. After you create an account in the immigration after you create an account in the IRCC website, then when you log in, after that, when you click start application for express entry profile, right? Then they will ask you there, enter your personal reference code. Okay, so at that time you have to enter your personal reference code. By doing that, express entry will pull all your information from your Come to Canada tool, and this is the most professional and standard way of starting your application process. If you have any more confusion, anything more to know about these things, and further, if you have any more confusion and would like to know something more about this personal reference code, then you can write in the comment down below. Also, you can write to me in my social media handles. Okay. Alright, guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give your like and also share the video to your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I will try to bring more informative and helpful videos in order to help you to immigrate to Canada. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, have a good day. Bye-bye.